Lady,
Good morning,
go!
y'all. I hadn't done a video like this in a while, but I'm about to get ready to go through my bug out bag and my bug out bags, my get home bags. About every 6 months I go through, check for expiration, check for compromised tools in there that I might need that for whatever reason ain't any good anymore, and that led me to doubling and checking through my medical preps. This is just the basic. Let's see this. So 250, that's 5. Let's see, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, about $10. You can get one of these started, and I suggest, having one in your vehicle and each one of your bags, even in your purse, in your emergency kits. This is not by no means going to save somebody's life if they're needing a tourniquet or a surgeon, but it will help until you can get it under control. And the reason why I got this little thing, and I went to Dollar Tree and got this stuff, y'all, okay? Dollar Tree has really started to carry some really neat products. And this is first aid kit, 21 count. Focus on the good. Focus on the good. That's what I'm talking about right there. Let's open this up. Oh, look. Oh, how sweet. It's got a little bit of adhesive tape, some Band-Aids. Let's see what we got. We got more Band-Aids, variety Band-Aids, and some alcohol swabs. Well, what I decided to do was this. I decided to go ahead and get this for one because of the 10, okay? For two, I need a small one that I can carry, and I'm going to modify this to go on my EDC belt, which is a video to come. I just have to work up the gumption to do it. The heat is so exhausting here, but anyway, y'all. So we've already got the few little Band-Aids in there. And all you got to do is just kind of, go through, get some of these alcohol prep pads, put some of them in there. Nothing fancy. Nothing fancy at all. You got all these extras. Go in your other bag. I did get some liquid skin. Not too bad a price, $1.25 at the Dollar Tree. Now, if you don't have this liquid skin, let me see here. Let's see if we can get it to come in focus. The liquid skin, you can use super glue. Just saying, for those of you who may not know these things. For those of you that do know these things, well, I'm preaching to the choir, but I'm hoping that we could save a couple people's lives. I'm going to put about 4 of these oversized bandages in here. See if we can get them in there. Yeah, we'll get them in there. Let's see, we'll add a couple more of these. I really prefer the cloth bandages, flexible fabric, for the simple fact being is that they don't too fast come off your skin when you're sweating or when you have an abundance of oils on your skin, for mosquitoes, things like that, bugs, sweat. Got a little another thing of triple antibiotic. This stuff is great. Actually, I got me a boo-boo. I cut my arm on my truck, and I was going into Dollar Tree to get this stuff anyway, so I figured I might as well just go ahead and do a video on this. Hell, a couple packs of Excedrin. And that's it, darling. Let's see if we can get all this in here in a nice, neat, orderly fashion, because there ain't nothing orderly, fashionable about me other than I have a short patience. Very short patience. Good stuff. Let's go ahead and tell you what. We're going to fold this. Put this in here. Put these right here. Put this right here. Put this right here. Put the lid on it. Damn, I tell you what. We do have to focus on the good, darling. Oh, wait a minute. I forgot this. Crap. Anyhow, you know, while I was at the Dollar Tree, little FYI, they still had rice and beans. Just saying. Keep on prepping, darling. Go through your preps. Check for your expiration dates, especially like on your medications and stuff that are in your bug out bags, in your vehicle. Know that heat will make a difference on the longevity of those things. Double check, see what you might need. Ciao, baby. Keep on prepping, just saying.